Hello, welcome to another video on Tealise's channel. For today, we'll be introducing to you our new product launch, which is a customized mix and match boba tea kit gift set. So you're just going to log onto tealise.com right here, and then you can go onto the search bar, type in mix and match, and it'll show up right here. Just click on that and you'll land on our products page. You can go through our images right here. And if you scroll to the bottom, you can see our YouTube tutorials on how to make tapioca and our boba tea. On the sidebar here, you'll see all of our boba tea flavors and the tapioca, the boba straws, and the reusable cup. You can select as many items as you want and customize it. It's really up to you. So I'm just gonna add a peach flavor and an almond. I'll add tapioca, boba straws, and a reusable boba cup. You don't have to follow the purchases I just made. Again, it's up to you to purchase how much you want and which one you would like. So when you click on the shopping cart, you can see all your items right here and be able to edit it. So I'm just going to agree with the terms and conditions and check out. So on the checkout page, you see all the items that you chose right here. They'll be individually priced to come to a full total. And again, you can go follow the steps to check out. After your order has been placed, Tealise will process the shipment so that it arrives to your door safe and secure.